Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and specifications of two popular gaming PCs, the STGAubron Gaming PC and the Dell Optiplex. We'll explore their performance, design, and included peripherals to help you decide which one is the better choice for your gaming needs. Let's get started. The STGAubron Gaming PC is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor that can reach speeds of up to 3.9 GHz, providing superior performance for gaming and multitasking. In contrast, the Dell Optiplex features a quad-core Intel i5 processor running at 3.2 GHz. While the i5 is adequate for everyday tasks and light gaming, the i7 in the STGAubron offers a significant advantage in demanding applications and gaming scenarios. When it comes to included peripherals, the STGAubron Gaming PC comes with a keyboard, mouse, and an RGB Bluetooth soundbar, enhancing your gaming experience with immersive audio. On the other hand, the Dell Optiplex offers a complete package that includes a 24-inch monitor, RGB gaming keyboard, mouse, and headset, making it a better choice for those who need everything in one box. This can be a significant factor if you're starting from scratch. Brand reliability is another important aspect to consider. The STGAubron is a newer brand, which may raise concerns about long-term support and durability. In contrast, Dell has a long-standing reputation for quality and customer service, which can provide peace of mind for buyers. If you value brand trust and established support, the Dell Optiplex might be the safer choice. In conclusion, the STGAubron Gaming PC offers superior performance for gamers looking for power, while the Dell Optiplex provides a complete package with peripherals and a reliable brand reputation. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.